Hi everyone, and welcome to Learn Science with me, your mentor, Doria. Space. Week 3. The Planets. Part 1. In this lesson, we will do some fun fact quizzes, learn about our solar system and the different planets we find in our solar system. There will be lots of fun activities, and at the end, there will be a few suggestions of other activities you can do at home. Let's dive right in with a fun facts quiz about elements. Elements like carbon and oxygen make up everything in the universe. But where do all these elements come from? Is it A, air, B, stars, or C, rocks? I'll give you a moment to think about this. Three, two, one. That's right. The answer is B. Elements are made in stars. How amazing! This is a picture of our solar system. Our solar system is made up of the Sun, which is actually a star, and everything that is held to it by gravity. These things include planets, moons, and asteroids. In our solar system, we have 8 planets. One of them being Earth, which is the planet where we live. Can you spot Earth on the picture? Here it is. Our solar system is located in a galaxy known as the Milky Way, which looks like this. The arrow points to where we are. You can barely see us. Let's learn a little more about the planets in our solar system. Do you know the name of the first planet here? That's right, it's Mercury. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun and is also the smallest planet in our solar system. Let's move on to our next planet, which is this one here. Do you know anything about Venus? Venus is the closest planet to Earth. You can sometimes see it in the night sky. It has a similar size and structure to Earth and is the hottest planet in the solar system. Up next, we have Earth, which is here. Earth is a planet we call home. It is the 5th largest planet in our solar system and is the only planet that has liquid water on its surface. Do you know what this planet here is? That's right, it's Mars, which has 2 moons. Did you know if you were to spend a year on Mars, it would be equal to 687 days on Earth? That's a lot of days. Up next, we have Jupiter, which is this one here. Do you already know anything about Jupiter? Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is more than twice as big as all the other planets put together. It has a characteristic red spot, which you can see here in the picture. This is actually a storm which is bigger than Earth and has been happening for hundreds of years. Up next, we have this planet here. Do you know what it's called? It's called Saturn. Saturn is the 2nd largest planet in our solar system. It has a ring system that is made up of 7 rings with many gaps and divisions between them. You can see its rings here. Our second to last planet is this one here. Any ideas what it's called? That's right, it's Uranus, which was actually the first planet to be found using a telescope. It's known as an ice giant, and like Saturn, it also has rings. Our last planet of the day is this one here. Do you already know anything about Neptune? Neptune is the last planet in our solar system. It is more than 30 times as far from the Sun as Earth is. It is also the windiest planet in our solar system.
Now, let's practice.
Let's do this learning by word scrambles activity. This is a list of scrambled words. Each of these words are space related. What I would like you to do is try and work out what space related term is hidden in each of the scrambled terms. For example, in the first scrambled word, you can see that all the letters can be used to make the space related term star. The same is true for all the other scrambled words. They each make up a space-related term. Pause the video now so you have time to work out what space-related word is hidden inside each of these scrambled words. Have you unscrambled all the words? Brilliant! Let's see if you were correct. Our second scrambled word was hiding the space-related term moon. The third one was hiding the word sun. Unscrambling the fourth one should have given you the name of the planet Neptune. The fifth scrambled word was hiding the name of the planet Mars. And our final scrambled word was hiding the space term space. Great job, everyone. That was quite a hard activity. Next up, we have a learning by spotting activity. Here you will see a grid with 6 different objects you can find in space. What I would like you to do is try and find the planet Jupiter. Three, 2, 1. Here it is. Great job, everyone. How about Saturn? Can you spot the planet Saturn in this grid? Three, 2, 1. Here it is. Well done, everyone. Our last activity of the day will be this learning by word searching. Here we have 3 pictures of planets. In this word search, we have the names of these 3 planets. What I would like you to do is try and find the names of these planets in the word search. The words might be going up or down, left to right, or diagonally across. This might take a bit of time, so feel free to pause this video and have a go at this activity. Have you found the words? Great job, guys! Here we have the answers. This is the planet Mars, and the word was hiding here. This is the planet Saturn, and the word was hiding here. And finally, we have the planet Earth, which was hiding here. Well done, everyone. Let's move on to our last fun facts quiz, which will be about the Sun. The Sun is the heart of our solar system. Its gravity is what keeps everything in orbit in our solar system. But what do you think the Sun is made from? Is it A, gas, B, rock, or C, water? I'll give you a moment to think about it. 3, 2, 1. That's right, the answer is A. The Sun is actually made up of gas. If you have enjoyed this lesson, here is some more practice that you can do to learn even more about the planets and our solar system. This first link will take you to this website. This page is well worth a scroll through. As you scroll down the page, you will see lots of boxes of different sizes that you can click on to learn more about the different parts of space. For example, you can learn about the search for life on Mars. There's also different boxes about the different missions and research that is currently going on in space. You can also scroll down to this Explore Our Solar System part, where you can click on the different elements of our solar system to learn a bit more about them. This next link will take you to another website that looks like this. This is a great website to learn more about our solar system. Clicking on each of the individual cartoon planets that you see here will allow you to learn more about that planet. If you scroll further down this page, you will see this. There are icons for games, crafts, activities, and some videos, as well as a lot of questions that are answered that you might have about space. Feel free to browse through these so you can learn even more about space in our solar system. For the reflective activity, I suggest watching this video about the solar system. The link to it can be seen below. This quick video recaps some of the information we have learned today, as well as tells you some new and cool facts which I think you'll find interesting. The most important thing, however, is to have fun. Unfortunately, that brings us to the end of this lesson. I hope you have had as much fun as I have. Next week, we will still be talking about space, except we'll be doing a learning by making activity. What this will involve is drawing and colouring in all the planets and assembling them in order. It should be lots of fun, so stay tuned for that. I look forward to seeing you all again in our next lesson together. It's bye for now.